neighbors. If you've been watching our episodes, you know we've been trying to restore habitat here in what we call Smelser's Holler. Well, today we're gonna put some wildlife in it. A friend has given us several quail and we're releasing them. It's exciting.
Just leave that old piano, maybe a chair, so I can sit down there and play when I'm old. Take all these things I know.
Oh, how cute.
Hi, baby.
Watch where you step.
So cute. You like them, Daddy?
This is cool. And next summer we're hoping to release another 100 or so.
Send him.
Tractor Supply wild bird food. Crude fat 2.5%. Crude protein 7.5%.
It'll shake us by our soul and praise that rock and roll. You can have my home and have the yard. Just leave my one guitar and leave me here, and I can play until the day turns dark. Take all the TV shows, go on, take all I own, and I'll be fine. I'll sit right here and pick. By God, it's good to know that I'll be saved by rock and roll. You can hear them playing every evening. You can hear them playing every day, and they won't stop until they say someday we're all gonna be ringing that bell. One day we'll hear the sounds that can liberate us. Come that day we see the end, we'll just start up some angel band. Leave the world and all those things we fought down there so far below.